Running my own handmade sign business, I have a ton of these wood scrap pieces. They're too big to throw away, but they're also too small to really make any of the pieces that I create in my shop. So I just kind of hang on to them until I can find a need for them. And I decided that I wanted to make these freestanding wood pumpkins. And I thought, oh, this would just be a perfect use for this scrap wood. So what I did was I cut out some templates on scrap paper using my CRICUT. And I just used kind of some, it's a thinner cardstock paper actually is what it is. And then I'm just going to trace around these on the wood here. And I line them up so that they are really, really close together, but that way I'm wasting as little of this wood as possible. Okay, and then I'm just going to cut these out using my scroll saw. I'm using my Ryobi Scroll Saw to cut out these shapes. Just whatever saw you do use, be sure to follow the manufacturer's instructions on it and wear whatever protective gear that you need to wear. And I do apologize for the shadow. The light's right behind me and there's no other place I can move this saw, so it's got to stay right here. Okay, so we're just going to turn it on. And then you just want to sand it. You can use just a regular piece of sandpaper, but I prefer to use my Ryobi palm sander. And then I have just a 120 grit on there. And then you just want to make sure that it can stand on its own whenever you're done sanding.